Hello everyone, welcome to Tap and Solve. Today I will show you how to split your Tabby payment into 4, 6, 8 or even 12 months step by step. Before we begin, please support Tap and Solve by subscribing to the channel. It really helps us grow and bring you more helpful content like this. Now let's get started. First, log into your Tabby account by entering your passcode. Once logged in, tap on Money. Here you may see a shortcut option to split your Tabby payment. If you don't see it, don't worry, just tap here. If you are eligible to split your Tabby payment, the split option will appear here. If it does not appear, that means you are not eligible. And this usually happens for one of these three reasons. You are a new Tabby user and recently signed up. You have delayed or missed an installment payment in the past. You do not have a Tabby credit card. Note, if you want to know how to get a Tabby credit card, you can check the video linked in the description. You can also find it in the complete Tabby app guide playlist on my channel. And don't forget to subscribe. Now to split your Tabby purchase payment, tap here. As you can see, I have two purchases. One purchase shows free split into 4 installments, while the other one does not. This is because the first purchase was made from a Tabby authorized store. If you purchase from a Tabby authorized store or website, you are eligible to split the payment into 4 months with 0 fees. However, if you did not purchase from a Tabby authorized store or website and instead used your Tabby card, then free split will not be available. In that case, you will need to pay a one-time processing fee. Now, tap here to split for free. You will see 3 options. Free split into 4 installments, split into 6 months with a processing fee, split into 8 months with a processing fee, to split into 4 installments with no fees. Tap here and you're done. Next, if you want to split a payment made from an unauthorized store, tap on that purchase. Here you will see 3 split options, all with a one-time processing fee. You can choose your preferred installment plan, pay the fee, and split the payment easily. Final note, if you still have any questions or need help, please comment below and I will definitely reply. Best of luck.